Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, A Prayer to the Teacher. It is great occasion for 2005 batch for graduating teachers. It is also a great day for the faculty and an administration to have given the world another set of people whose impact is going to be proportionately large. I am honored to be here with all of you to share our joys, our hopes, your hopes. As teacher, on behalf of all the lives you will touch, I have a few things to ask of you. It is going to be a long and somewhat unusual list, so I seek your indulge. Here goes my list. First, I pray to you that you teach me the valuable inclusion. The people who write my textbook and the one who prescribe the syllabi with will not tell me how important inclusion is for me to do well in life. Without the sense of inclusion, I will not know the boundaries are meant to be pushed, not to be lived in. Take an example, the fact that I clean my house but empty my garbage on the road. That is because the road is not included in what I feel in my own. I feed my own child but do not ask if the maid has eaten today. Her hunger is not included in my hunger. I take my child to movie but do not ask him to call the neighbor's child. That's a child, it's outside my zone of parenting. So teacher teaches me inclusion. I pray to you to teach me communicate. As I get caught in the rat race of the common entrance test and cut through competition, everyone will tell me that my survival depend on my power to impress. The more I want to impress, the less I will communicate. Teach me to speak and able to write so that I'm able to convey what I feel. I pray to you, make me learn more than that teacher teaches me how I can learn to learn. As you prefer me that the wide world is which I need to defend for myself and others, one time learning will not be good enough. I will have the ability to learn newer and more difficult things. Some of it I needed to learn very quickly. In all this, what will become critical in the process of learning itself more than just what I am to learn. I'm able to learn. Help me to learn newer ways to learn, and that will make learning a joy for me. As I learn from unusual sources, I pray that you teach me to appreciate the interconnected nature of the things. Teach me not just about the way the waves rises from that causes them to fall. Teach me appreciate that the trees I feel, the small creatures I kill with indiscrimination, use the fertilizers and pests on the ground, the urban decay I causes with my consumerisms all add to awesome imbalance of natural state of things that causes death and destruction and can one day engulf me and mine. Each time I see an scavenging bird on my city skyline, teach. Tell me why the singing bird are going away, and tell me how I can see the priest on my window still again. I pray to you, teach me not just the ability to answer, but also the power of question. Everyone is telling me to do as I am told. Before I know, I am enslaved. It is because we do not ask question. Only if we ask question, we can get answers. If we get answers, we can explore how to establish better order of things. If we ask question, we will also learn to be accountable. We will be more willing to accept that we can ask questions. We can be questioned too. In that exchange, truth will be emerged. As I learn the power of humility, teach me about how all things are sustained life on earth come free. Teacher, I will live in an increasing commercial world. I will judge on how much value I create by buying and selling these. My personal success will be determined by my ability to consume. I'll not be able to always question the ways of the world, but do tell me how all these things that truly support life come without payment. I pray to you to teach me the power of silence. Teach me also to raise in voice to protect the truth. In the world where every moment is going to be full of noise, teach me to be quiet. Teach me to appreciate the sound of silence. For in silence I can contemplate the power within. Teach me to my point without having to raise my voice. And teach me to raise my voice, teacher, when my silence can hurt another life. Teach me to appreciate the poverty, diseases, hunger, and have no nationality. For the hundreds of years I have lived in the world with narrow domestic walls. In that world, patriotism was found in religious bigotry, racial intolerance, and man's remarkably short view of time. It was bounced by barbed wires and smoking guns. In the future that I want to create, I want to reach me. I want you to reach me the power of loving my fellow human being. Teach me to appreciate diversity and dialogues. Teach me tolerance and teach me to remove the word foreign and foreigners from my vocabulary. This is my world, teachers. In this world, I do not want to be a foreigner to anyone, and I do not want to treat anyone like a foreigner. With these thoughts, allow me to conclude my convictions address. May this day remain with you forever, and may your path be illuminated with the power of thousand suns. Thank you and good luck. Thank you.